Snow squall warnings are in effect for parts of southern Ontario, including areas that were already hard hit by blizzard conditions over the past few days. Environment Canada is warning of up to 30 additional cm of snow for parts of Niagara Falls, Welland, and southern Niagara Region by Tuesday afternoon. Snow squalls over Lake Erie are moving northward toward southern portions of the Niagara Peninsula, the weather agency said. Snow squalls are expected through the day Monday and into Tuesday afternoon before moving south of the area. Along the shoreline of Lake Erie, 30 centimeters is possible along with blowing snow due to winds gusting near 60 kilometers per hour, the weather agency said. The region has already faced blizzard conditions over the past few days, leading to widespread road closures. On Saturday, emergency alerts were also issued for Fort Erie